Well, here it is, the all-new Range Rover Evoque, and what a fantastic vehicle it is. I've been privileged to be involved with this vehicle right from the very beginning, even before the LRX concept car in 2008. I've overseen the engineering and development of the car for the last 3.5 years, and it is singly the most exciting vehicle that I've ever been involved with. The engineers and designers have worked tirelessly on Evoque. They've done thousands of tests, millions of miles in all manner of climatic conditions, and they've done that with one purpose: to make the Range Rover Evoque the best vehicle ever. And the reason that that's so important is that customers that buy Evoque may never have been in a Range Rover, may never have been in a Land Rover dealership, or even an SUV in the past. So they're going to come to the Evoque with very high expectations, and I can tell you that the Evoque will not disappoint. Evoque has a stunning design, but it's much more than just a pretty car. Every part on the car has been designed to deliver the breadth of capability that customers expect from a Range Rover, but in a compact, clean package with outstanding on-road dynamics. We started with an extremely capable platform from Freelander, but we made it better. We took the body and we lowered it 27mm on the chassis to get that stance of the vehicle, but at the same time we're able to increase the ground clearance by 12mm. There's an all-new electric power steering system that's a first for Land Rover that improves fuel economy and reduces CO2. The wheel track has been widened 20mm, and the major suspension components have been made in aluminium to improve the vehicle dynamics. Throughout the whole car, the engineers have focused on reducing weight. So Evoque has an extensive use of lightweight materials, from the aluminium bonnet and roof to the plastic fenders and the composite tailgate. Even the body shell uses high strength and boron steels to reduce weight. The overall effect is that the Evoque weighs about 100 kilograms less, that not only improves fuel economy but also reduces CO2 and improves vehicle dynamics. Inside Evoque, we're really proud of what we've been able to achieve. It's a very special place to be. It has materials fitting of a Range Rover with a very premium feel. And I tell you, I've lost count of the number of times people have told me that they can't believe how big the interior space is. There's ample accommodation in the front and in the rear, and in fact in the rear the engineers redesigned the platform to accommodate quite tall people. And with one of the largest panoramic roofs, there's no feeling of being claustrophobic. We're now in the final stages of launch. We've built hundreds of pre-production vehicles to get stability in the supply base and in the production facility in Halewood. The engineers, the suppliers and the manufacturing launch team have spent tens of thousands of hours focused on meticulous attention to detail to get the part and the part quality right. And we have over 100 vehicles getting real-world mileage accumulation to ensure that they meet our rigorous functional sign-off standards. Every effort is being made so that we can launch Evoque flawlessly. I think when you see the final production units, you'll agree with me that it is the best Range Rover ever.